Cybersecurity is one of the most evolving domains in this technological era. Also, the unprecedented COVID-19 situation has dramatically increased the dependency of one and all on the internet. People across domains, sectors, businesses, etc. have shifted to online solutions due to the social distancing norms. This massive shift has just increased data vulnerability, thereby resulting in an increased demand for certified cybersecurity professionals. So if you are interested in making a career in this ever-evolving domain, here is Vajiha from Edureka with a whole new session on one of the best cybersecurity certifications, that is CompTIA Security Plus. We shall start off our discussion with a small introduction to CompTIA, followed by understanding what is the CompTIA Security Plus exam. Then, we shall take a look at why you should take CompTIA Security Plus certification, the eligibility criteria for it, followed by the skills that you will acquire once you've cleared the examination. Finally, we'll take a look at the CompTIA Security Plus exam details, such as the areas that it focuses on, how many and what type of questions are present, and the exam duration. So before we begin, just make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest Edureka videos. Also, if you're interested in making a career in cybersecurity, check out the CompTIA Security Plus certification link given in the description box below. So coming back towards the session, CompTIA, or the Computing Technology Industry Association, is a non-profit trade association based in America. This organization issues vendor-neutral professional certifications in more than 120 nations across the globe for the IT industry. It was created in 1982, and its initial name was the Association of Better Computer Dealers, or ABCD. ABCD later changed its name to Computing Technology Industry Association. CompTIA also releases over 50 industry studies annually to track industry trends and changes. To date, over 2.2 million people have earned CompTIA certifications since the association was established. As mentioned earlier, CompTIA provides a number of valuable certifications that range from entry level to expert level, out of which the CompTIA Security Plus certification is designed for the cybersecurity industry. So what exactly is the CompTIA Security Plus exam? The CompTIA Security Plus exam is a globally acknowledged certification exam that confirms the standard skills you will need in order to perform important tasks that deal with security and to pursue a career as an IT security professional. The CompTIA Security Plus certification accentuates hands-on practical skills that ensure the certified security professional is very well groomed to solve any sort of issues that deal with information security. CompTIA Security Plus is the first security certification that an IT professional who seeks a cybersecurity career should acquire. It also authorizes the security professional with the core knowledge that is required to serve any job role that deals with cybersecurity in order to provide a breakthrough to fetch intermediate level cybersecurity jobs. A cybersecurity professional who holds the CompTIA Security Plus certification will not just know to identify the issues, but he will also be able to address those issues. So now that you have a brief idea of what is CompTIA Security Plus exam, let's move on and take a look at why you should take the CompTIA Security Plus certification. As a matter of fact, anyone who holds a CompTIA Security Plus certification will have a weapon to target any intermediate level job in cybersecurity. Apart from that, there are a number of other benefits as well. For the purpose of this session, I'll be discussing a few of these benefits. First up is the industry standard. The CompTIA Security Plus certification is often considered as one of the best elemental information security certifications in the current cybersecurity market. Not just that, it is also accredited by ANSI that ensures the capability to apply the required knowledge, skills, and attributes that are required to be compliant with the ISO 17024 standard, 17024 standard. Vendor neutral. As mentioned earlier, the CompTIA Security Plus certification is a vendor-neutral certification. This basically implies that you can focus on the basic cybersecurity principles and you do not have to focus on any specific vendor's security or technology. This way, you will not be confined to any specific set of skills and you will have a wider horizon, making you a better fit for any sort of cybersecurity job roles, thereby keeping you always in demand. Increased salaries. I think we all would admit to the fact that salary is one of the biggest driving factors for anyone to choose a specific career. As a CompTIA Security Plus certified professional, you are sure to make great money. The salary basically varies depending on various factors like the geographical location, the amount of experience, hiring organization, soft skills of the candidate, job role, etc. The average salary for a systems administrator is about 84,939 US dollars. For a network administrator, it is about 73,157 US dollars, and for a security administrator, it is about 93,102 US dollars per annum. When it comes to roles such as security engineers, the salary is way much high, which is about 131,000 US dollars per year. Work across sectors. As a CompTIA Security Plus certified professional, you will be eligible to fetch cybersecurity jobs in any sector, be it public or private. A number of leading organizations such as Amazon, Dell, E&Y, Accenture, Capgemini, Intel, etc. have made it mandatory to be CompTIA Security Plus certified when applying for various security profiles. According to a blog published by Microsoft, CompTIA Security Plus is an authorized certification for the US Department of Defense and a subset of a much broader initiative commonly referred to as DoD Directive 8140 by 8570, a compliancy policy that is required for all authorized users of DoD information system. It is required for all government employees, military service members, contractors, or others who have approved clearances to DoD networks to perform information security job roles. Skills will always be in demand. As mentioned earlier, the CompTIA Security Plus exam is a globally acknowledged certification exam that provides a CompTIA Security Plus certified professional the standard skill set that is required in order to perform important tasks that deal with security and to pursue a career as an IT security professional. As the world of cybersecurity is always on the lookout for skilled professionals, CompTIA Security Plus certified professionals will have all the necessary skills such as compliance and operational security, threats and vulnerabilities, applications, data and host securities, etc. that will just be a reason for you to always stay in demand. So what is the eligibility for you to apply for CompTIA Security Plus certification, and who is it exactly for? The CompTIA Security Plus certification exam can be taken by anyone who has 2 years of experience in IT administration with exposure to IT security or some equivalent training. Now, this certification best suits people who are looking for positions such as system administrators, junior IT auditor or penetration tester, network administrators, security administrators, security engineers, etc. So what are the skills that you will acquire? The CompTIA Security Plus examination focuses on all the fundamental skills that are required in order to fetch a cybersecurity job. Not just that, the latest version of CompTIA Security Plus examination brings into consideration the current scenario of how cybersecurity jobs are evolving and becoming more specialized, for example, like the positions such as that of cybersecurity analytics. This is another reason for the increased importance and demand of CompTIA Security Plus certified professionals for a variety of job roles. This certification will groom the candidates that practically understand as well as provide appropriate solutions to cybersecurity issues. Anyone who successfully clears the exam will validate a number of skills such as the knowledge of identifying strategies that are created by malicious cybercriminals to invade networks and hosts and create the appropriate antidote in order to defend the networks and hosts that have been under attack. You will also have sound knowledge of the basic principles of the organization's IT security and all the elements of effective cybersecurity policies. Candidates will be well versed with the security technologies and knowledge of cryptographic standards and products. They'll be capable of installing and configuring the network and host-based security technologies, will be able to describe how wireless and remote access security is enforced, and also will have the knowledge of security standards and the security tools and products that are required to enable web security and communication technologies. You will also be able to create plans that ensure the continuity of business, fault tolerance, and disaster recovery. Finally, you'll be able to compile the application and the program's susceptibility and also analyze the development and deployment techniques designed to migrate them. So what are the areas that this exam focuses on? The CompTIA Security Plus certification exam focuses on a number of areas. the probable security threats, attacks, and vulnerabilities. These are required in order to find out the indicators of compromise and figure out the types of malware or compare and contrast the types of cybersecurity attacks. Identity and access management. This area mainly focuses on implementation of identity and access management controls or to differentiate the common account management practices, technologies, and tools. It deals with troubleshooting the most common IT security problems or also to securely deploy the mobile devices. Risk management. This area focuses on explaining the importance of security policies, plans, and procedures that are associated with the security of the organization. Architecture and design. This basically deals with summarizing secure application development, deployment, cloud, and virtualization concepts. Cryptography and PKI. This allows you to be able to compare and contrast basic concepts of cryptography or implement public key interface. So how many and what type of questions are there in the CompTIA Security Plus exam? The CompTIA Security Plus exam has 90 questions. These will be divided into multiple choice questions, drag and drop activities, and performance-based items. The MCQs can either be single answer or multiple answer type. The performance-based questions are designed in order to analyze your capability to solve issues in a simulated environment. Now, one thing that you have to keep in mind is the time management, as most often the examination questions will show up during the initial period of the exam and you will not be able to look at the clock when you are solving them. Once you complete these questions, you will receive an optional survey form comprising of 12 questions that deals with your personal study practices and the reason why you chose CompTIA Security Plus examination. The exam duration. Candidates who take up the CompTIA Security Plus certification examination will be given 90 minutes to answer 90 questions that are explained in the previous topic. Please make a note that this does not include the time that you will need to complete all the check-in formalities at the examination center. Therefore, it is best you are present at the center well before the scheduled examination time. So if you wish to learn cybersecurity and build a colorful career as a cybersecurity professional, then take a look at our newly launched CompTIA Security Plus certification training, which is a first of its kind official partnership between Edureka and CompTIA Security Plus. It offers you a chance to earn a global certification that focuses on core cybersecurity skills that are indispensable for security and network administrators. So this brings us to the end of this session on CompTIA Security Plus certification. I hope you guys have enjoyed and learned something new. In case you have any doubts or queries, please do let me know in the comment section and I will revert to you at the earliest. We'll be back with more and more exciting sessions, but till then, goodbye and take care.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries, and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!